Tapos po, actually sa Stanford University, meron silang study about how we can reset our health just by breath work. Paghinga, which is basic. Pag makalimutan natin huminga, mamamatay tayo. So anyway, ang paghinga po, akala natin inhale, exhale lang, di ba? May isa pa pong method, actually marami. Yung isa pang kalma is breathe in and out slowly. Siguro narinig nyo na yon. Pero ituturo ko po sa inyo, ang tawag dito is cyclic sighing. So parang sigh, buntong hininga. So ganito po siya, dalawang short inhale, tapos exhale ng mabagal. So dalawang short inhale, tapos exhale sa bibig. Dalawang short inhale sa nose, exhale sa bibig, slowly. Yun. Cyclic sighing. If we do that daw po, 5 minutes every day, we restore our peace or balance. So yun po ang gawin natin sa breathing. So I invite everybody to close your eyes. Let's feel our breath. Let's do that cyclic sighing. Just listen to my voice po. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Breathe with awareness. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Mindfully scan your body from head to toe as you inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Breathe relaxation into the parts that feel tight or painful. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Let awareness move throughout your body as you relax. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Note the painful and relaxed areas of your body. Are there areas needing attention? Calling your attention because it's painful? Reminding you of overuse, perhaps? Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. I hope by now you're feeling more relaxed. I hope your head is feeling more relaxed. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Shoulders now not tight. Inhale, inhale, exhale. As your body is still digesting, I hope it's not rumbling. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Your back is more relaxed. It's not tight. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Your knees, are they painful or just right? Inhale, inhale, exhale. Relaxing your muscles, they're carrying your whole weight. I hope they're steady and not painful. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. I hope you're feeling relaxation up to your toes by now. Inhale, inhale, exhale. 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 Sige po. Now we can open our eyes.